Good morning from Florence, Italy. We are getting ready to do something we are super excited about. We started planning this a couple months or so ago. We are getting ready to do an Italian cooking class.
And market tour. So we will actually buy our groceries first and then head to a kitchen to prepare whatever they have on the menu for us today.
I'm not exactly sure what's on the menu. I think it has something to do with fresh pasta, a meat of some sort, and then a dessert. We love making fresh pasta at home, so I'm excited to learn from true Italians.
Yep, should be a great day.
And we're starting off with just a little bit of rain, but it seems like it's clearing. We had amazing weather in Venice. We had a few showers yesterday afternoon, but nothing too bad. The weather is calling for a lot of rain, but hopefully we'll continue to be lucky. Cheese, cheese, pecorino. Okay. Oh, that's real good.
So these are morels here in Italy, and it looks like they're selling for 50 euros per 100 grams of dried morels. We can pick these fresh in the springtime in Indiana and Illinois in our backyards, basically. So I guess we could make a living selling mushrooms in Italy if we wanted to.
So we've got some white truffle oil we're going to try.
Very strong and particular. Usually
It's a strong flavor, but it's really, really good.
I do see 15.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. 15-year-old balsamic vinegar.
Is this pure vinegar? Just with the fermentation naturally. So now, you know,
Yeah, but it's got,
how much we have.
I don't know, a sourness to it too.
The ingredients about the bolognese sauce are these ones that you can see on the right corner.
Zero is the most fun you can find, and it's perfect for making pasta and pizza. Take your paper, go very underneath the dough, then fold it and press. With the part of your hand, try to pull it a little bit, fold it.
So we just wrapped up our Florencetown cooking class, and we're incredibly full. It was a great experience. We tasted a lot of some cheeses, truffle oils, some different breads, some balsamic vinegars, and then we made our own pasta. So we made a tagliatelle and a ravioli.
Yeah, so in addition to that, we made like a quick just marinara sauce out of fresh tomatoes. Steph mentioned the balsamic vinegars. These weren't just any balsamic vinegars. These were aged 15 to 20 years, so they had reduced themselves in barrels, not been reduced with sugar on the stove. Super delicious. The experience was really cool. We met some great people in the class.
All the recipes were super simple but used just incredible ingredients. And now that we are stuffed full of pasta, cheese, meat, and tiramisu and gelato, we're getting ready to go climb Brunelleschi Dome on top of the Duomo.
So it's over 400 steps up the side of a dome. It does not spiral around it. It goes straight up the side of the dome.
We should get an amazing view if we make it with the camera. So let's go check it out. Pretty far. I hope that's included in the 400 something steps.
It goes round and round in circles, but I'm still on the ground.
Oh, let's go. Ready? Go. Okay.
Here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me, or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up.
Handrail's shaking a little bit. That's not safe, really.
It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here.
We survived the Duomo, all 400 and something steps, which was a really cool experience. About halfway up, you're actually on the inside of the dome and you can look down into Il Duomo, the church, and see the whole inside of the building, which is kind of a cool experience. And then that last little section, you climb in between the two domes, the inner dome and the outer dome. So it's almost like crawling, but you're still on steps. The view from the top is amazing because when you're in Florence, there's tall buildings everywhere, and then you come out into a square and there's the Duomo, and it's amazing. But you also don't realize that you're surrounded by hills, and those country Tuscan houses are not that far away. So it's about 4:45 and we have a pass that allows us to get into pretty much every museum here in Florence. It was a pricey pass, but we're gonna try to run over and see the Accademia and see the real David statue in person. The statue of me. We paid 72 euros each to get a Firenze card, which is a museum pass that covers pretty much all the museums here in Florence. The benefit, supposedly, is that it allows you to skip the line without getting a reservation for each museum, which is hard when you don't know what time you want to do everything, or if you're going to have time to do everything. So we just tried it for the first time here at the Accademia. There was 2 long lines. We showed our Firenze card and they just let us walk right in the door. We were a little concerned that 72 euros was not going to be worth it, but skipping those 2 lines was worth at least 30 or 40 euros.
So we finished up our tour of the Accademia and meeting David in person, which was pretty extraordinary. Took a quick break, got some groceries, and now we're headed out to dinner for a Florentine staple.
Bistecca.
Bistecca. Giant, rare T-bone steaks served in a giant chunk for the table, which we're pretty excited about. So it's about a 25-minute walk for us, and it's raining, so we're going to leave the camera here, and we'll pick back up probably with some iPhone video and snapshots of the meal.
Let's go.
Bye.